This is how to get weekly totals in your pivot table in Excel. As you can see on this pivot table on the right, I'm calculating the cost of salaries on a weekly basis. So I made it so that I break down this date column into weeks, and then the sum gives me just how much I've spent in that week. So this is exactly what you need to do. First of all, you'll need to have a date column and add it to your pivot table rows over here. Make sure that this is formatted as date so that it works for you. And then the second step is clicking on a cell from that column, right clicking and selecting group. And from this grouping wizard over here, select days and unselect the other options that you might have already selected. And for the number of days, select 7. Important to note that this will auto-select your period from the earliest date to the latest date. So if you don't want that, make sure that you change this as well. Hit OK. And just like that, notice how my data has been grouped by week, and now I get to calculate my weekly totals in my pivot table. This is how to do it. Thumbs up the video if this helped you. Let me know in the comments if you had any issues, and I'll see you in the next one.